This is an infusion time question, but in the question, you are actually given a drop factor. When you see the drop factor, remember that you have to use this formula. Volume in milliliters times your drop factor over time in minutes is equal to your drops per minute, GTT per minute. All right, so let's plug in some numbers. Our volume, we're told, is 900 mLs. Our drop factor is 15 drops per milliliter. Our time, we are not given. That is what we need to calculate. So that's what our X is. X minutes. And that is equal to our drops per minute is 80. And we're going to put that over 1. So when we're solving this, we are going to cross multiply. So you have 80x is equal to 13,500. You want to divide by what's next to x to get x by itself. And that answer is 168.75. And it's minutes, because that is the label that is next to x. But I want to make this a whole number, so 168.75 is going to be 169 minutes. Now remember, I want the time in hours and minutes. So I need to take that number and I need to divide it by 60 because there's 60 minutes in an hour. And that answer is 2.816666, whole lot of sixes. But I need to make this, round this to the 100th place. So when I round that, and by the way, this label is hours. So when I round that, I get 2.82 hours. Now this 0.82 part here, I need to convert that into minutes. In order to do that, I'm going to take 0.82 and I'm going to multiply that by 60 because there's 60 minutes in an hour. And that is going to give me 49.2 minutes. But I don't have a decimal point in my answer. So that is going to be 49 minutes. So we're going to take the 2 from over here because it was 2.82 hours. So 2 hours. And the 0.82 we figured out is 49 minutes. So that's the first part. Then we come down here and we're told that the infusion was started at 6:23 a.m. So I take 06:23 and I need to add 2 hours and 49 minutes. Okay, so that's 12, that's 7, that's 8. So it would complete at 08:72. But time doesn't work like that. There's only 60 minutes in an hour. So I need to subtract 60 minutes from here, which gives me 08:12. But because I took 60 minutes away, I need to put it back. But I'm going to put it back as an hour. So I'm going to add an hour. And that gives me 09:12. And that is the military or international time for 9:12 a.m. So we're also going to write 9 with a colon, 12 a.m.